Today for division, your goal is still I divide numbers through the thousands, but today we are not using our multiplication chart. We are graduating from our multiplication chart and we are going to use a new strategy. So to start, we will begin with a division problem in the hundreds. So we're going to do 694 divided by 2. Now, because we don't have a multiplication chart, we need to do two things before we begin. The first thing we need to do is what we always do when we write, does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? And then the second thing we need to do is we need to count by twos. So we're going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And at the bottom, I have 18 and 20 here, but you can't see those. So now when I divide, I'm going to check out how it looks over here. Okay, that's better in focus. So to start, we're still going place by place. We have 6 divided by 2. I need to find my number closest to 6 without going over. Oh, I see it. It's right there. That is 1, 2, 3. So above my 6, I'm going to write a 3. So I have divided. Now I need to multiply. 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. S stands for subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. C stands for check. Is 0 less than 2? Sure is. Move on. Bring down. We bring down our 9. Okay. So my new division problem is 9 divided by 2. I need to find my number closest to 9 without going over. Well, I see 8 and I see 10 and I know 9's in between them. And so I have to go with 8, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So up here, I would write a 4 and that means I divide it. Now I need to multiply. 4 times 2 and 4 times 2 is 8. Time to subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Check. Is 1 less than 2? Sure is. Bring it down. Now I have 14 divided by 2. So 14 divided by 2. I need to go over here and find my number closest to 14 without going over. Oh, there it is. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. I divided. Now I need to multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract. 14 minus 14, that's a big old 0. Check. Is 0 less than 2? Sure is. Bring down. Nothing left to bring down. Circle your answer. You are done. 347. So 694 divided by 2 is 347. So the thing that's different is we are counting down the side here to make ourselves essentially the row on the multiplication chart that we are going to use. So we will do a larger one now. We are going to do 80,247 divided by 9. Ooh, okay, so the first two things you do, does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? They sure do. I don't eat them, but that's okay. And then I need to count by 9s. So I'd go 9, 18, and if you're thinking, Miss Johnson, I don't know how to count by 9s, then you just add 9 each time. I need to add 9 more, 27, add 9 more, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. So now I need to go digit by digit. 8 divided by 9. I need to look at my row over here and find the number closest to 8 without going over. Well, I'm noticing that my first number is 9. So I can't do that. So I need to put a big old 0 right here. And I need to move on over. Now I have 82 divided by 9. 82 divided by 9. Ooh, I gotta go all the way down here. There is an 81 right there. That has to be my closest number without going over. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So I'm gonna write a big old 9 right there. So I divided. Now I need to multiply. When we multiply, we do top times side. 9 times 9 is 81, which I already know because I just picked that number out from this over here. Subtract. 82 minus 81 is 1. Check, is 1 less than 9? It is. Bring it on down. So we have 14 divided by 9. So again, I need to look over on the side where I counted. I need the number closest to 14 without going over. Well, that's 9, and that's 1 time. So 1. Now I need to multiply. 1 times 9 is 9. Subtract. 14 minus 9 is 5. Check. Is 5 less than 9? Sure it is. Bring it down. Okay, I have 57 divided by 9. So I need to look over here and find my number closest to 57 without going over. And I know 57 is between 54 and 63, so I have to pick the lower number, which is right there. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So I can make 6 groups out of that. So I divided, now I need to multiply. 6 times 9 is 54. Now I need to subtract. 57 minus 54 is 3. Now I need to check. Is 3 less than 9? It sure is. Bring down. Nothing left to bring down, so I need to make a remainder of 3 and circle it. So 8,247 divided by 9 is 916, remainder 3. So the big steps to remember are you always want to write your does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers, and you need to write down the side if you are not solid on your division facts. It's okay if you don't have your division facts memorized, but then you need to be working on this on extra math. So today your job is to divide without using multiplication chart by counting down the side, just like this. So good luck. I look forward to seeing your work.